Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Stars, constellations, and our closest celestial neighbor, the moon. Dismissed by many as nothing more than a natural satellite, this innocent orb has been the subject of a conspiracy theory so outrageous that it might just be true. We're talking about the hollow moon theory. This is a lesser-known yet fascinating hypothesis that suggests the moon is not solid, but is instead hollow or even artificial. Let's dive in. Unexplained lunar anomalies. Starting in the late 1960s and extending well into the 1970s, NASA's Apollo missions brought back invaluable data about the moon. But amidst the seismic activity and the lunar samples, something odd turned up. The moon has a significantly lighter density compared to Earth, almost as if it were hollow. Lunar echoes. Moreover, when the discarded ascender stages of lunar modules were directed to crash on the lunar surface to create artificial moonquakes, the seismic waves echoed through the moon for hours, almost as if it were ringing like a bell, another pointer to its hollow nature. Moon's age. The moon also appears older than the Earth, if not the solar system itself, a revelation which defies our conventional understanding of the celestial bodies. How can this be? Could the moon indeed be an artificial satellite? Alien civilization. The theory doesn't stop here. It proposes that an advanced extraterrestrial civilization inhabited or perhaps still inhabits the moon. It's not a natural satellite, but a sort of spaceship, a watchtower for observing our world. Shocking, isn't it? The strange orbit. Let's talk about the moon's orbit, too. Have you ever considered how peculiar it is that we only see one side of the moon? Always, without fail. It's odd. Some argue this tidally locked orbit is due to the mass distribution inside the moon, the proof of its artificial nature. Does all of this compel you to look up at our nighttime companion in a new light? Or do you dismiss it as mere whimsy? The hollow moon. Theory is indeed one of the most fascinating and mind-boggling propositions, compelling us to question the world and beyond as we know it. Continue to question, continue to seek. Only then can we hope to unveil the truth that the universe is holding on to.